in the sky is known as the rainbow. After it rains, the air in the atmosphere is filled with raindrops. Each raindrop acts like a tiny, imperfect mirror. When sunlight passes through a raindrop, it reflects and gets scattered into 7 amazing vibrant colors and gives us an optical illusion of beautiful rainbow. Rainbow form on the opposite side of the sun. The 7 colors that exist in a rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The short form of all these colors is called vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. On the ground we can only see a semicircle rainbow, but if you look at it from an aeroplane, you can see a rainbow in a complete circle. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where rainbows are possible.